Gravity Forms Polls add-on lets you easily add polls to your WordPress website. And better yet, the Polls add-on is quick to set up and has all the functionality you need to gather the information you're looking for. With the Polls add-on, you can add fields to your form that ask visitors questions, capture their responses, and display the results of the poll after they submit the form. You can add simple yes/no questions, have users select multiple options, or ask users to select from a list of choices. You can also add as many poll questions to your form as you want to help you get a better idea of what your audience wants. So let's take a look at how to add a simple poll to your WordPress site. We'll get started by installing and activating the Polls add-on. Next, create a new form using the blank form template. Under the Advanced Fields tab, add the poll field to your form. Then, use the field settings to set the poll type, customize the poll question, and edit the choices. Poll types include radio buttons, drop-down, and checkboxes. Once you're done, save your form and then head to the poll settings for this form. Here, you can choose to display the results of a poll after a user votes, add a poll results link to the form, display percentages, and display counts. You can also customize the poll style and choose whether or not you want to block repeat voters. When you are finished customizing everything, save your settings and navigate to the WordPress page builder for the page or post with which you'd like to add a poll. Select the plus icon to add a new block, then search for poll to add the Gravity Forms poll block. Use the drop-down to select the form you just created, and the poll from that form will automatically be loaded. You can then configure extra appearance options for the poll block. Select the style of the poll, choose whether you want to display results percentages, and more. Please note that these settings will override the poll settings you established earlier. Additionally, if your poll has concluded and you wish to instead display only the results of the poll, you can change the poll mode to Results. Finally, you can go back to the settings page for your form to easily view and filter poll results. If you have any questions, be sure to let us know in the comments. And for more Gravity Forms guides and tutorials, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.